explain to you why your XRP is in the tank even though the Fed is lowering interest rates and turned on the printing presses. And I'm going to give you real timeline predictions, which I rarely do, so I want you to stick around till the end. So what's happening right now is a 4-phase yen carry unwind, and it's involving trillions of dollars globally. For years, global funds printed free money by borrowing yen at near 0% and then converting it to dollars to buy US treasuries at around 4 to 5%. They kept the difference and that trade fueled liquidity for years. And then Japan raised rates and poof, the free money is over. And that brings us to the 4 phases. Phase 1 is the shock, and it's already done, thankfully. FX losses showed up, volatility jumped, and crypto sold off first because it's liquid and global. In phase 2 is the ugliest phase. It's called forced deleveraging, and that is the one we are in right now. They borrowed cheap yen and bought stocks, crypto, bonds, and now they're forced to sell those assets to pay Japan back. And that selling is crushing our crypto and asset prices. And this phase could last anywhere from 6 to 10 weeks, which puts the bulk of this pressure into March of April 2026. Phase 3 is stabilization when the yen stops making higher highs and they stop pushing asset prices lower by all this selling. This will feel quiet and boring because it's almost like an exhaustion phase 2. Now phase 4 is liquidity expansion. This is where all that Fed money printing finally shows up and our assets start pumping. Once all this forced selling is done, liquidity will flood in and boost our asset prices to all-time highs in my opinion. I can see XRP, crypto, stocks booming, and I've been calling this a Trump pump 2.0 for a while now. And check this, big money's going to start moving across borders again, and the Clarity Act should be finalized by then, and that's when banks and institutions need to move value. XRP comes into play big time right here because it's built as a bridge for cross-border liquidity. XRP is literally built for this moment, so I want you to save this video so we can come back in a few months to see if I was right or wrong.